Oh, that is bad. That's crazy. It's actually clogged up. So let's just scoot. Ooh, this is wild. Seeing this in my own ear, but I can't even lie. This is so satisfying. One of my girlfriends actually put me onto this. Apparently, when you use Q-tips like I do, it pushes this wax deeper into your ear. It doesn't actually clean it. My doctor even said the same thing. Let me see if I can pull this out. What? Dude, that is crazy. Look, everyone is buying these with the holidays coming up, so they're almost out of stock, but if you want to grab one, I'll link it below.